Your brand is killing your leads. Leads are coming in, they pause, they look, but they slip away. You can sense there's something wrong, but you can't see where you're bleeding out. Welcome to your brand triage. I'm Dustin Byerley. I've spent 30 years helping founders express their brands with clarity, so customers stop hesitating and start saying yes. If you need help with your brand, book a one-on-one clarity call at the link above. In this video, we'll cover 3 things. The real reason leads hesitate instead of convert. How to spot the break in your brand that's causing the hesitation, and what you can correct today to stop the bleed. Let's get into it. Problem 1, your message is unclear. Most people can't tell me in one sentence what they do or why it matters. They talk in circles or hide behind pretty words. They try to sound impressive instead of exact. Here's the problem with that. A buyer will give you about 5 seconds where they decide they're going to go with you or not. If they can't understand what you do and why it matters in those 5 seconds, they back off. They don't argue, they just don't choose you. And that stall is where you're losing leads. It's not in your advertising, it's not in the algorithm, it's in your clarity. And if you want to test this, do this right now. Go to somebody who doesn't know you and ask them to explain what you do. If they can't explain what you do simply in one sentence, that's where your message is bleeding out. Here's fix number 1. Write a sentence. Start with, I help, I build, or I make. Say who you serve and what outcome you create. No filler, no fluff. That single sentence in front of you is your brand. Until that one line is crystal clear, people will keep pausing. Problem number 2, your outside story doesn't match your actual value. This is where the trust breaks. You show up one way, you describe yourself as another, but what you actually deliver is a third thing. You look hyper-polished, but you're actually intimate and custom. Or you present yourself as soft and vague, but what you really are is direct and surgical. This split is why people hesitate. They can sense something's off even if they like you. Humans are wired to walk away from mismatch. If they get one story visually, hear another story verbally, and feel a different energy when they talk to you, their body says no. They may not say no to your face, but they just won't buy. And this is where people make it even worse with more content, more noise, more posts, and it ends up making the break even stronger. So this is what we do instead. We take the outside and bring it into alignment with the truth. Ask yourself this and answer honestly. If somebody hires me, what do they get from me that they can't get from somebody else? Whatever that is, say it out loud, get familiar with it. That's the core. That's what belongs on your website, in your deck, in your bio, and in your one-liner. When the way you talk, the way you look, and the way you actually deliver starts telling the same story, people stop hesitating. That feeling is called coherence. Coherence builds trust, and trust converts. Problem number 3, they don't know what to do next. You describe yourself, you share your work, and you show proof that what you offer has value. But then they're just sitting there with nowhere to go. No button, no next step, no call, no invite. A lead without direction dies quietly. People need to know what to do with the energy that you just created in them. If you don't direct it, it drains. The fix here is simple. At every touch point, at the end of a newsletter, a video, an email, a website, whatever it might be, give them one next step. Always one next step. Never not one next step. Not 5, not 2, but just always one next step. Book a call, buy this, download this, email us, purchase here, whatever it might be. Whatever the next step is that's helpful to you and your customer, just make sure it's stated clearly. If not, why are we doing this? When you do that, the lead just doesn't float off and disappear. You told them how to move, and so they move in that direction. So let's pull this all together. What we've determined is that you're losing leads because your message is not clear. What's being presented on the outside doesn't match your actual value. And without a clear next step, leads float off and disappear. And these 3 things are the silent lead bleed. It's happening every time somebody tries to connect with you. You feel the slow drag in your sales, and you think it's reach, timing, maybe the market, the algorithm, someone else is to blame, but usually it's one of these 3 things. But the good news is you can start fixing this today. The important thing is that you sit down and you write one single sentence that explains who you are and what you do. You need to understand clearly that business is a relationship and not just about you expressing yourself and your exciting idea. When business is viewed as a relationship, this can immediately start to fix a lot of things because you recognize that you have to look at it from the other person's perspective. They want solutions. They want pain points fixed, right? So you need to be able to understand what those pain points are. What are you doing? Is it a pain point? Are you entertaining them? Is it a societal need that they have? Is it an ego need that they have? And you need to know exactly what you're solving. Until you know exactly what you're solving and the value that you're creating, nobody's going to care. So you have to write it down on a piece of paper. This is who I am, this is what I do, and this is the value behind what I create. And at every touch point, that needs to be clearly stated so people understand who you are, what you do, and the problem that you solve. Then they understand the transaction. And then at the end, just make sure everybody knows what to do next. With these 3 things covered, you're going to solve a lot of your lead bleed. Your brand can create awesome connections between you and others, or it can kill your leads. It's really up to you. If you need help or support, I do offer a one-on-one clarity call, and we can just go through your stuff, make sure it's all dialed in, and get you off to a whole other level. I'll see you guys soon.